How would you like to be able to design sales pages, promotional pages, and even custom forms? If you can imagine it, the Elementor platform can help you design it. A couple of decades ago, creating a website involved a lot of back and forth between developers, copywriters, and project managers. It took months just to get a few simple changes updated on your website. Nowadays, knowing how to code isn't necessary to build engaging websites. Page builders like Elementor make it super easy for non-coders to create any WordPress website they want. In this guide, you'll learn about Elementor and how it can help you build a stunning website. What is Elementor? Elementor is a drag-and-drop page builder for WordPress. This plugin helps you create beautiful pages using a visual editor. It's designed for you to build dynamic websites quickly. Elementor WordPress plugin is an all-in-one solution, letting you control every part of your website design in a single platform. You can customize your website to fit your brand with motion effects, multiple fonts, and enhanced background images. Why you should use Elementor? Elementor works for all types of professionals on your team. If you're not tech-savvy, the visual editor gives you the flexibility to drag any of the 90+ widgets to create content, like buttons, star ratings, and progress bars. For WordPress developers, it's still a top-choice platform with script optimization, custom attributes, and rollback versions. What can you build with Elementor? Elementor is an effective tool for building anything, from entire websites to specific landing pages. You can design sales pages, promotional pages, and even custom forms. If you can imagine it, the Elementor platform can help you design it. Download our free Elementor Beginners Guide now. We hope you enjoy our free Elementor Beginners Guide. Have a great day.